Welcome back everyone. In this video we are going to be discussing 3 method on how to get rid of foot odor. Foot soak with baking soda. If foot odor is causing you problems, don't worry. There are a variety of things you can do to help make foot odor a thing of the past. Cleaning your feet. 1. Scrub your feet. It sounds obvious, but a quick rub with soapy water in the shower isn't enough. The objective here is to get rid of any bacteria and dead skin cells that bacteria likes to feed on. So when you wash your feet, exfoliate the entire surface of your foot with a washcloth, brush, or any other mechanism and use antibacterial soap. Don't forget to scrub between your toes, too. Dry your feet. Dry them completely. Moisture, whether it's water or sweat, is what creates a fertile breeding ground for bacteria. Take the time to dry your feet thoroughly and don't neglect the space between your toes. 3. Use hand sanitizer. It may sound weird, but a good hand sanitizer can kill germs on your feet and inhibit bacterial growth. Since bacteria cause odor, this can reduce or eliminate your foot odor. If you have open sores or cracked feet, you should not use hand sanitizer, as it will dry out the skin even more. 4. Use antiperspirant. The same type of antiperspirant you apply under your arms could also be used for your feet. Just make sure to get a separate stick for each area. Apply it to clean, dry feet at night, then put your socks and shoes on as usual in the morning. It will help keep your feet dry and fresh during the day. Antiperspirant actually reacts with the electrolytes in sweat to form gel plugs that block off your sweat ducts. Since each one of your feet has over 250,000 sweat glands, more sweat glands per inch than any other part of your body, a little antiperspirant can go a long way. Don't apply it right before going out, or you'll be slipping and sliding in your shoes. 5. Soak your feet in a mixture of 1 part regular vinegar and 2 parts water. Vinegar kills fungus that could cause foot odor. Pour the water into a big bowl or bucket, and then add the vinegar. Soak your feet for 20 to 30 minutes. You can add a few scoops of baking soda and thyme oil drops to your foot bath, both of which may also help get rid of stinky smells. 6. Rub your feet with 1 or more of the following powders. Do this between your toes as well. This is what most foot powders and sprays contain to combat foot odor: talc-free powder. It will absorb moisture and prevent friction. Baking soda. This creates an alkaline environment that's not bacteria-friendly. Cornstarch. This helps to absorb sweat. Freshening your footwear. 1. Wear sandals or open-toed shoes. Wearing open shoes lets the air flow around your feet, keeping them cool and keeping you from producing as much sweat. When you do sweat, it will evaporate quickly due to air circulation. During colder months, wear leather or canvas shoes that allow your feet to breathe. Steer clear of rubber and plastic shoes. 2. Change your socks daily. Socks absorb your sweat when you wear them, and it dries when you take them off. Putting on a dirty pair of socks for the second day in a row is essentially going to reheat that sweat, leading to a foul smell. Change your socks every day, especially if your feet tend to get sweaty. Unless you're wearing open shoes, you should always wear socks. If your feet get very sweaty, carry an extra pair of socks with you so that you can change your socks during the day. When you wash your socks, turn them inside out in the washer, so the dead flakes of skin have a better chance of being washed away. Go for absorbent socks made of cotton or wool. Non-absorbent socks like nylon trap moisture around your foot, making a cozy little nook for bacteria. 3. Lightly powder shoes and socks daily with baking soda. Dust out yesterday's baking soda before adding fresh amount. Baking soda absorbs moisture and odors. If your feet start to feel dry or irritated, go a few days without using baking soda. You may need to take periodic breaks from it. 4. Use cedar wood or cloves to freshen shoes. Put cedar wood shavings or whole cloves inside your shoes for a few days when you don't need to wear them. Over time, the odor may diminish or disappear. 5. Use cedar wood insoles. In addition to cedar wood shavings, you can also use cedar wood insoles while you aren't wearing the shoes. The natural cedarwood essential oils have antibacterial properties, which fights bacteria and helps to cure and prevent foot odor. They also have antifungal properties, which helps to prevent athlete's foot and nail fungus. It is also a convenient way without the need for daily routines, like powdering or creaming. 6. Rotate your shoes. Let your shoes dry out completely, so that bacteria does not set up camp in there. It takes at least 24 hours for a shoe to dry out completely. Take out the insoles to help the drying process along. Otherwise, wearing the same pair day after day is a recipe for stinky feet. Crumple newspaper inside wet shoes so it will help dry them overnight. 7. Wash your shoes regularly. Many shoes can be thrown in the washing machine. Just make sure they dry thoroughly before you put them on. 8. Remove your shoes often. Whenever you can take a break, when no one is looking, remove your shoes. This helps the shoes and your feet stay drier. 9. Use a shoe dryer. There are several great, low-wattage shoe and boot dryers that use convection air currents to slowly and completely dry wet, sweaty shoes. Place your footwear on them at the end of the day. Dryers eliminate the moisture that odor-causing bacteria need to grow and help your shoes to last longer. Using home remedies. 1. Do a tea soak. Brew a strong black tea and pour it into a large bucket or bowl. Soak your feet in the tea for 30 minutes a day for 1 week. The tannic acid in the tea may act as a barrier that protects skin. 2. Use salt water. Apply 0.5 cups 120 milliliters of kosher salt, Epsom salt, or sea salt for every quart of water. After soaking, don't rinse your feet, just dry thoroughly. 3. Apply aluminum acetate. This will dry out your feet. Mix 1 packet Domburo powder or 2 tablespoons Bureau solution, both available over the counter, in 1 pint of water. Soak for 10 to 20 minutes at a time. Talk to your doctor or healthcare provider before using aluminum acetate, if you are pregnant or nursing. Make sure that you follow all instructions on the packaging. This product may cause dryness, itching, temporary burning or stinging, or skin inflammation. If you experience these side effects, stop using the aluminum acetate. 4. Make a baking soda mixture. Apply 1 tablespoon baking soda for every quart of water. This is a drying mixture that reduces moisture on your feet. Baking soda makes skin more alkaline, which can alter the pH of your skin. This can cause irritation and can reduce the acidity of your skin. The skin's acidity helps control unwanted bacteria and fungal growth, so long-term use of baking soda may not be the best remedy. 5. Clean your feet with a pumice stone on a daily basis. While you're in the bath or shower, rub your feet with the pumice stone while it's still wet. This will remove the dead skin and prevent excessive growth of bacteria. Wash and dry off your pumice stone after you use it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy this video. Please like, share and subscribe.